WP-DVO-050. Name, Ana May M. Cañete. 33 years old, married, education, BS Agriculture graduate, experience, 2 years experience as a domestic helper in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I am Ana May M. Cañete, 32 years old, married to Mr. Jonamer L. Cañete. I have 5 children, 2 boys and 3 girls. I am the eldest among the 4.
Location, place, how far or many hours travels going to Manila?
In going to Manila, 1 and 45 minutes via plane.
Tell me something about your family background.
My father's name is Timoteo C. Mandriel Jr. and he is a driver. My mother's name is Nimpa A. Mandriel and she is a sales agent in a St. Peter Life Plan.
If we children, who will take care of them?
My mother will be the one who will taking good care of my children.
Tell me something about your DH experience.
I do household chores for 2 years. I make ironing, washing clothes, and
do you know how to cook Chinese food?
no, but I am willing to learn.
What are your hobbies?
Singing, dancing, reading books.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby or elderly?
Yes, I am willing to take care of a newborn baby and an elderly person.
Do you know how to do the bottle feeding?
Yes.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
First, wash the bottle, then sterilize the bottle, then make it dry and pour a hot water in the bottle, then pour milk, then let it cold.
If the baby is still keep crying, what will you do?
I'll check if the baby is hot. I'll check her temperature. Then, I check the diaper if there's a poop.
If the baby has a fever, what will you do?
Then I'll check the temperature of the baby. I'll get a thermometer so that if the baby is sick, then I'll call my employer to inform them that the baby is sick. Then I'll ask them what will I do if I call to the doctor.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Sing.
Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout, down through the hill and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain, and Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I'll read a book, then I'll keep myself busy doing household chores.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No, I will not break the contract. Instead, I'll send them money to help my family who is sick.
What could you teach the children?
Moral values, and if they are in school, I'll teach them the lessons that they have in school.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
As long as my contract will end, and as long as my employer will let me come back again, and Hong Kong is the best place for me because the people in Hong Kong are loving and kind person.
Thank you.
Thank you too.